Looking at the situation of today's economy, the Federal Republic of Nigeria led administration of President Muhammadu Buhari, which by the statement of the Rivers State Governor have confirmed that the federal government paid 13% to them, to some states. Youths supposed to be paid their own 2%. If the president can pay the state 13%, then the 2% of the youth should be paid. Every youth in Nigeria, and that 2% is approximately 25 million. But we are asking that out of our own 2%, give us 15 million every youth. This is my decree, and that is what our demand is. It's not election until that is being met with. I don't think any youth who jump out there for election has a good future for himself. Pay us our 2%, President Muhammadu Buhari.
What do you people say?
We agree support. Pay youth. Thank you.